I am the CEO and founder of HueTrition, and today we're here at the grocery store and we want to give you 3 simple and easy tips to stay healthy and really stay on track. Tip number 1 is that you should shop the perimeter of the grocery store. If you see, the perimeter of the store is full of fruits and vegetables, colorful, full of the nutrients of antioxidants for long-term health. Tip number 2, you want to fill your shopping cart, and right now it's empty, but I'm going to show you, you want to fill ideally half of it with fruits and vegetables. So same thing as your plate. You can start shopping around and fill it, and I'm going to show you the finished product in a bit so you can take a look. And tip number 3 is you want to plan ahead. You don't want to kind of eat just on the fly. You don't want to go hungry to the grocery store, so you want to plan ahead, and you also want to plan your meals ahead of time. If you're busy during the week, you want to be able to maybe set some stuff aside, whether it's fruits and vegetables or some snacks that you can take to work, and also to be able to set aside what you're going to make for that day for dinner when you come back. You could also pre-make some of the stuff, let's say on Sunday, and freeze it. There's a lot of things that you can do, but I would say plan ahead and do not go hungry to the grocery store. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can search HueTrition on YouTube and follow us on social media. Thank you.